Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan, me name Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news in the Jamaican language. First, me give the headline them. The National Council for Taxi Association NCOTA said them write to Prime Minister Andrew Holness because them want to talk with him about some things under the new Road Traffic Act. The class them did have a tap at the Buff Bay Primary School in Portland yesterday after the library catch a fire. The Independent Commission for Investigations Indicom said them are worried about the number of police killing pan them planned operations. Now for the full tour of them. The National Council for Taxi Associations NCOTA said them write to Prime Minister Andrew Holness because them want to talk with him about some things under the new Road Traffic Act. According to Alan Blair, or the president for NCOTA, them carried the letter go Jamaica House Monday. Mr. Blair said I'm glad them take back the child seatbelt rule them, but enough other things are bother them what them need for talk about. The class them did have a tap at the Buff Bay Primary School in Portland yesterday after the library catch a fire. Nobody no get hurt. According to Jacqueline Edwards, or the principal for the school, the head chef used one extinguisher and put out the fire. The Independent Commission for Investigation Indicom said them are worried about the number of police killing pan them planned operation. According to Indicom, police killed 134 people in 2022 and them killed 127 the year before. Indicom said them want the police officer them for wear body camera pan them planned operations so people can see what them a do. The police report said the most wanted man in the country dead. The man and Nesta Morris, who people call Bigger Crime, him come from 11 miles Bull Bay. The police say him dead in a one shootout with them. According to Fitz Bailey, or the Deputy Commissioner for Police, Bigger Crime wanted for over 2 years now, and them did a tell him for carrying himself. Him say people glad to Bigger Crime dead because him did a terrorize and a take set upon them. The St. Andrew Central Police said them find 2 guns and some bullets in a Bryce Hill, Augustown, St. Andrew Tuesday night. According to the police report, around 9:40 p.m., people hear gunshot and call them. When them come, them see one man shot. One another man show up at hospital shoot up. Police accused the 2 of them. Me name Kadeen Marshall, and that's the news in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.